Welcome to Fixit Dubai, your trusted source for premium interior design ideas and expert kitchen solutions. In this video, we'll reveal the most exciting and modern kitchen trends for 2025, including stunning color palettes, smart cabinet designs, and elegant countertop ideas. Whether you're planning a full kitchen makeover or just looking for inspiration, this video has everything you need to design a modern, functional, and stylish kitchen. Let's dive into 2025's ultimate kitchen trends that are dominating Dubai and beyond. Section 1. Top kitchen colors for 2025. Color sets the tone for your entire kitchen. And in 2025, bold meets calm. Here are the top trending colors: dusty olive green, calm, elegant, and earthy. Terracotta tones, warm and grounding, great with wood finishes. Midnight blue, a luxurious twist that works well in both modern and classic kitchens. Creamy taupe, a softer alternative to stark white, creating warmth. Charcoal black accents, adds modern contrast to neutral spaces. Pair these with matte finishes or satin textures for a fresh 2025 look. Need help picking shades? Our Fixit Dubai team offers free consultations. Section 2. Modern cabinet trends. Show drawers opening, textures, hardware. Narrator: cabinets are no longer just for storage, they're a style statement. Here are the hottest cabinet trends: handleless cabinets, sleek, clean, and minimal. Two-tone cabinets, think deep green lowers and light wood uppers. Ribbed wood cabinets, adds texture and a natural feel. Open shelving sections, showcase your decor or everyday essentials. Smart storage solutions, hidden pullouts, rotating trays, and vertical organizers. At Fixit Dubai, we custom build kitchen cabinets for every space, tailored to fit both your home and personality. Section 3. Countertop styles. Zoom in on surface textures, kitchen islands. Narrator: countertops are where beauty meets durability. 2025 introduces these top materials and looks: quartz with veining, still the king of countertops, but with natural marble-inspired lines. Porcelain slabs, heat and scratch resistant, great for busy homes. Butcher block wood, for a cozy, organic look that softens modern edges. Textured finishes, matte, flamed, or leathered finishes are gaining popularity. Waterfall islands, full-height sides that turn islands into art pieces. Looking to upgrade your countertops in Dubai? Fixit Dubai is just one call away. Section 4. Smart kitchens and tech. Show gadgets, smart lights, motion drawers. Narrator: the future of kitchens is here and it's smart. In 2025, homeowners want more convenience and connectivity: touchless faucets. Smart lighting. Wi-Fi enabled appliances. Voice-controlled coffee makers and fridges. Charging drawers and built-in screens. Fixit Dubai partners with top brands to deliver futuristic kitchen experiences for you and your family. Section 5. Layout and design tips. Top-down views of kitchen layouts. Narrator: your layout affects how your kitchen functions. Top layout ideas for 2025 include the social island, a large island for cooking, dining, and working. Galley style with bold features, perfect for compact spaces. Zoned kitchens, separate zones for prepping, cooking, and storing. Built-in dining nooks, cozy and space-saving. Our design experts at Fixit Dubai can help map your kitchen from start to finish. Fixit Dubai Kitchen Design Offer. Inspired by these 2025 kitchen trends, Fixit Dubai offers free site visits in Dubai. Custom cabinet and countertop design. Installation by expert craftsmen. Smart kitchen integrations. 3D design previews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design ideas and home improvement tips. Your dream kitchen is just one call away with Fixit Dubai.